Good morning, everyone. I am number 3. Today, I will tell you a story. The title is Jack and the Beanstalk. Jack and the Beanstalk. Jack is a young boy. He lives with his mother. They live in a small house. Her family is poor. Their cow, Betsy, gives them milk. One day, Betsy has no milk. Jack and his mother are hungry. Jack, we need money, says his mother. Take Betsy to the market and sell her. Jack isn't happy because he likes Betsy. He walks her to the market. A man is standing on the road. He wants Betsy. He has 5 beans. He shows them to Jack. These beans are special. They can go very high. He says, do you want them? Jack likes beans, so he gives Betsy to the man. At home, his mother sees the beans. She is very angry. Jack, we need money. She says, what can we buy with beans? Jack goes to bed. He is very sad. His mother throws the beans out the window. Soon, a beanstalk is growing. It grows and grows and grows. Now it is in the sky. Jack wakes up early. He sees the beanstalk. Where does it go? Jack goes down the beanstalk. He goes up and up and up. He is at the top. A giant lives in the sky. He has a lot of money and a big house. But he is a knight because he is people. Jack doesn't know giant. He goes into the house. Jack looks around the house. There are tables and chairs. Everything is so big. The giant's wife sees Jack. She's old and kind. Who are you? She asks Jack. I am Jack. He says, can you give me some fruit? I'm hungry. The giant's wife feeds Jack. Her food is good. Just then, a door opens. The giant is coming into the house. Quicker, Jack, get into the pot. The giant likes to eat boys. Jack gets into the pot. The giant turns into the kitchen. The giant looks around. I smell a boy. He says, where is he? I want to eat him. There are no boys here. Sit down and eat your breakfast. The giant has the fruit. He puts it on the table. The fruit is an egg. It is made of gold. Jack sees the egg. I want that fruit. He thinks, I can sell the golden egg. Mother and I can buy food. The giant goes out of the kitchen. Soon, he comes back. He puts the golden harp on the table. I don't feel happy. He says, harp, sing me a song. The harp sings very well. The giant smiles and eats his breakfast. Jack sees the harp. I want that harp. I can give harp to mother. Then she won't be angry with me. Now the giant feels sleepy. He closes his eyes. Soon he is sleepy. Jack walks to the table. He takes the harp and the goose. They are also sleepy. Jack takes them to the beanstalk. The hag wakes up. Help! Help! Somebody is taking me away. The giant wakes up. He looks out the window and sees Jack. He runs after him. Jack goes down the beanstalk. He is very fast. The giant is going down the beanstalk. Will he catch Jack? Jack is at the bottom. He takes an axe and cuts the beanstalk. Walk, walk. The beanstalk falls over. The giant cries out. He falls to the ground. The ground shakes. The giant lies there still. He is dead. Jack and his mother now have food and money. They live happily ever after. My story is finished. Thank you for your attention.